Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos. This block is called Blow Me a Kiss. It's 12-inch finished. Here's the diagram. It's all just strips and squares. Here are 4 blocks set block to block, and this is again part of the Stitch Pink 2020 from Moda Fabrics, and there'll be a link to download their pattern for this block. I didn't put the cutting diagrams on here because they're all cut from strips. So if you have 1.5-inch strips and you have 2 width of fabric strips from the background and from this light color, you'll have enough fabric to make this one block. Well, in addition, you'll need the darker fabric for the squares. So here are the cutting instructions, and you cut 2 of each. They're all 1.5 inches wide, and then they're 10.5, 8.5, 6.5, 4.5, and 2.5 inches long. Same exact thing with the light fabric. And then I will need to make this correction here. We'll cut 20 1.5-inch squares and 1 2.5-inch square of the dark fabric. And here are the fabrics I have chosen. To piece this, we're going to start in the center. We'll put the background fabrics on each side. Then we'll take the light fabric that matches the same size as this fabric and make 2 of these units. So you'll make this unit, and this unit. Sew those together, press the seams, and then sew the 3 together. For all the rest of the rounds, you're going to alternate the fabric placement. Here is the background fabric, so next to it we'll place the light fabric. And then the background goes on top and bottom, and fill in with the little squares. And you're just going to keep making rounds like this. Be sure to look at your diagram to make sure, but just alternate. So the next one will be the white background will go here, and then the light fabric will go top and bottom. For pressing this, I found it easier to always press toward the strip. So press this way, and then press this way with the squares. It just was easier to nest the seams and get better points, and it just went together easier. So you might want to try that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos.